Alright, here's a new truck. What? Brand new truck. That's a 5.0 in her. Finally found one. We're swapping everything over from my old truck. It actually has matching fin or like body lines. Come here, we got ugly eye wheels. Those are getting changed to wide. And we're not limited 5.0 no more. That sucks, right? If we come inside, the interior is clapped. We got cloth seats. Not as good as the leather ones, but she'll do. It's a 2013. We're going to get an iPad dash for it. Right now it has a stock crappy radio. If you ever dealt with sync, you know what I'm talking about. XLT, big back seat, cloth seats, everything like that. Yeah, and then we come to the back, and here's the problem. Hold on. Here's the problem. So we got to get a new bed for her, and it looks worse in light than it does in anything else. Holy, that body mount is cooked. God dang. It's going to need new leaf springs. Yeah, we're going to have to buy a new bed. Oh, it already has fender liners in it. Yo! But yeah, so 4x4, still got the stock bumper on it. That's coming off. It has rear parking assist on it, which is dope. But flex fuel has a newer badge. Need to paint match all the tail or all the handles. Has a bed mat in it. Came with a free hitch and toe strap. Has the flag on it. And here's where we get to the side that's even worse. Got 5.0 exhaust. I need to get my old exhaust off my other truck. Here's the other side. This side's not as bad, but it's definitely worse in the corner. As you can see, that's how bad the rust is. It's going to need a new bed. But it's also going to need new wheels, tires, probably new rotors. If you can look in there, those rotors are corroded. New rocker panels. All right, so we got my old cold air intake in. Looks like my other truck, actually, which is kind of sad to say because I miss it. But cold air intake's in. Everything's hooked up. MAF sensor is plugged in. I got to zip tie it up here so it doesn't hang down. It's hanging down right now. I don't have any zip ties. And yeah, it just needs a zip tie it back where I had it right there. But now let's see if we got to start it, see if she works good, see if she runs right, let her run a little bit. Let the ECU, where's the keys at?
They're in the seat.
Let's see. All right, crank her over. Let her get used to it. Because I have my tune in from my old truck. I brought my tuner from my old truck. So, give it about a couple... Shut the hell up. Sounds normal. Everything looks normal. Hey, tell me if anything pops up there. All right, so that noise is a clamp rattling down here. That needs to get fixed. But, all right, let's rev her up some. Was there anything that popped up here? No. Oh my Lord. This sounds way better than my old truck. Woohoo! Okay, so the rust is okay, so the frame still has factory paint on it, and it's a way thicker frame than my other truck. But then we look at the rocker panel. The rocker panel is completely destroyed. I don't even know how the fuck I'm gonna fix that one. That's a tough, oh my God, it goes all the way. Hey, it has new ball joints and, oh, it has new shocks too. Yeah. Let's look underneath this thing. Dude, there's no rust on it. Yo, there's no rust on the muffler or resonator. And it has the bigger fuel tank. That's tough. Dang. All right, so I don't think I really did a proper intro to this video, but I got a new truck. It is a 2013 F-150 XLT. Yes, I couldn't get it. I got a base model, whatever. Make fun of me. I'm going to interior swap it anyways. But I'll show you outside here in a second. You already seen the videos of the rust and everything. My girlfriend's dad is going to help me fix that because he's a fabricator and he knows how to weld sheet metal. So we just got to, I'm not even going to buy a new bed probably. I'm just going to try to fix this. And if it's unfixable to him, then we're buying a new bed. He said this will be easy to fix, the rocker panels. So that's good to know. So yeah, right now I just got done installing my 2 amps and my backboard for my other truck. It's really nice. I like it. It needs cleaned, as you can see. Not worried about that right now. Just worrying about putting them in. I got to do rocket lights. Well, I'm not going to put rocket lights on until I fix all this, which will be once I get it licensed and registered and everything, all 9 yards. That's Tuesday. Today's Saturday, so I got to wait till next week, sadly. But yeah, it's okay, I guess. Not as good as my other one. Kind of wish this one didn't have rust, but it's just what my parents made me buy with my insurance money. So I got to deal with it. But it's 2013. The only thing that does suck is that I need to paint match that. It does suck that it has a center console, or it doesn't have a center console, but it sucks that I can't put my radio in this truck because they changed the radios in 2011 to 2013. Or in 2013, they changed the radios for the F-150s. So yeah, that sucks. So I have to buy a new radio, and it's like $600. But other than that, it's a 5.0. That's the only rust is just the cab corners. Are not the cab corners are still mostly there. Besides on that side side's way worse than this side. Has the bumper that's coming off. It has rear parkade, which is kind of cool. Don't really care about that though. Yeah, here's the side that's really bad. This is probably the worst side ever. This one, I don't know if it's fixed. This is the reason why I don't know if it's fixable or not. If it is to him, then whatever. Because of this body thing, this body line's gone. But I'm gonna have to get a new bed, and yeah. So I guess I'll let you guys know and updates on anything else. Right now, I'm working on my audio. Already got the cold air intake in, putting my my new battery in. Has a 5.0, so yeah, I'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so I don't know what the last thing was that I updated you on. I think it was an amp wall, but I'm taking this to my girlfriend's dad's house because he's a big welder guy. Hold on, let me manually flip up these seats real quick. Okay, never mind. Well, there's the amp wall. Yeah, just 2 amps. Nothing really wired right now. Have the subs underneath the seat, and like they still kind of stay up, but subs underneath the seat. Nothing's wired up right now, but it's whatever. I still gotta do a lot of stuff to it, but yeah. So now we're gonna put on the mirrors. That's what we're gonna work on right now. All right, so I got both mirrors on. There's the left side. Oh, the hood's open. And then there's the right side. Got both the mirrors on. Then if we open the door, wire management. Got both I got both front driver speakers on, but I need to get a new radio first, and then we can have our audio. But yeah, started on audio or wire management over there, as you can see. Got to do the other side. Then I got to do the power wire, but this is just so I can see if it turned on or not, and it didn't. But this isn't the right gauge. Oh wait, yeah, it is. This is 4 gauge. What the heck? I don't know, but yeah. I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the ground. That one needs a ground too, and then power wire. I got a distribution block coming on the way, and then I could power both of these up and make it look really clean, everything like that. But yeah, other than that, the door didn't close. We come over here. Got new bad things for these bad girls. Brand new Raxium headlights. Low and high beams, so I'm going to put these on and let's see what they look like when I'm done. So out of the box, they're supposedly 7,500 lumens. They even have their own cooling fan on these lights because they're so bright. That's actually so sick. Yeah, these were $100 headlights. So let's put them in on both sides. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the truck back in the garage, and now it's time to, I'm not really done with audio and stuff like that, but now it's time to take this bumper off, get her posted on Marketplace, because, well, I'm putting my black one back on, because that one just is so clean, the way I made it and everything, is so perfect, because I made it. So now we got to get this thing taken off and all that, so I'll see you when I get this off. All right, y'all, as you can see, I got the bumper off, all the rear parking aid things off that I'm just going to not wire back up. I'm just going to zip tie it to itself because I'm not putting that on the new bumper. But everything's off now, so I got to get this out of the way, figure out what I'm going to do with all this wiring, and then time to go get the other bumper. So I'll let you know when that's all done. All right, so I don't know if I said anything about it, but I got the bumper off everything. I know I didn't record much of it because I was making a TikTok, but yeah, fixed the bed and the tailgate. It wasn't really closing very good. Sprayed some WD-40 all over, but there we go. Oh, by the way, those aren't my actual license plates. These are just ones that I've had for a while off my old truck. But yeah, there we go. It is on. So now on to the next project. All right, so right now, we're putting on my old exhaust from my first truck. We're putting on that exhaust, and as you can see, knock some rust off. But yeah, we're getting her took off right now. I got the first 2 bolts. I'm at my girlfriend's house because I can't really do it at my house right now. So yeah, we're gonna put this new exhaust on, and we're gonna see what it sounds like without an exhaust leak, because I never got to find out what this resonator delete sounded like without an exhaust leak. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. We got a lot done in today's video. I'm driving right now, but what? Who said that? I got a lot of stuff done in today's video. There's my new truck. I'm starting to like it more and more. I gotta do some body work to it, some rust repair. I gotta talk to my girlfriend's dad because he's a welder. And yeah, I'm gonna start doing rust repair hopefully soon in the next video maybe, and working on my audio. I have to get a new radio, or I can use this active line output converter. Yeah, see, we're driving. It's snowing outside, but I want to use that maybe, hopefully, if it works. I gotta still figure out what I'm doing. I don't know how to use one because I don't know. But yeah, we gotta get a new radio. That's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what's your thoughts on the new truck. I know it's kind of ugly. I gotta get some new wheels and tires for it soon, especially for the snow, because this shit sucks so bad. Driving in the snow wasn't terrible because these are mud tires. I didn't know that. They're mud tires that are on this, which is weird because they're 31s, which doesn't make any sense at all. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, go watch all the shorts that I made, and go watch my TikTok. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.